destiny और हो गई मुश्किल and you became my destiny तू ही मेरी मंजिल 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Salam, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, and a very, very good evening to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. I am your host for this evening. My name is Saurav, and this very beautiful, gorgeous lady, let her introduce herself.
My name is Suchitra, and we are here to entertain you all tonight. But what we really need at the moment is everybody to be seated on their seat. Please, that's a request. And for the award winners, we have this section specially booked for them. So I would request everyone and everyone who is the prize winner for tonight to take their seats first.
I can see a lot of people there, something very interesting there. I know it must be, but trust me, all the entertainment is going to be here. So all the people who are to my left, I request you all to rush this side, come and take your seats. The award winners, like she rightly said, have to take the front rows. And of course, the rest of the people, there are a lot more chairs there. I would be love to sitting there. But of course, you guys have to take those chairs. Please come in quickly, people. We are waiting for you.
Thank you, Saurav. आज का जो प्रोग्राम है वो बहुत खास है। वो खास इसके लिए है क्योंकि आज यहाँ पर जो कलाकार मंच पर आ रहे हैं वो सिर्फ ना हमारी तरफ से है, वो सिमेंटिक के कलाकार है, वो आप ही की तरफ से है। और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप जितना ये शो देखना पसंद करेंगे उतना ही ये कलाकार आपको दिखाना पसंद करेंगे। पर कलाकार की छोटी सी मांग होती है और वो मांग ये है कि उनका स्वागत तालियों से किया जाए और उनको शाबाश की भी तालियों से दी जाए। सो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आज का शो बहुत जोरदार तालियों से शुरू हो जाए, तो एंड तक मुझे ये तालियां सुनाई देनी चाहिए। क्या कहते हैं? That's pretty good. I like it. I like it very much.
Absolutely. Okay. Suchitra is so correct. This is a very cold winter. Winters are approaching. We need to keep ourselves warm, and a very good way of doing that is clapping your hands, and you got to do that throughout the evening. You'll do that, right, guys? We are here to have fun, right? Okay.
Here we would like to announce something.
Can I have the music down, please? The music down. Thank you so much. First of all, we have an important announcement. I would take great pleasure in introducing Shri Sharad Sharma, who is the General Manager, Symantec India and Vice President, Product Operations. In introducing a leader For a software organization like ours, it is tempting for a speaker to fall back on terms like the 21st century CEO or the president for a new millennium. And obviously, as a distinguished software professional and successful entrepreneur, these phrases are well suited for Mr. Sharad. However, there is more to Mr. Sharad than these phrases can describe. Sharad is a leader who connects to every individual in the organization. He enables them to set high goals and motivates them to achieve those goals. In short, Mr. Sharad Sharma is a leader who brings out the leader in all of us. With him at helm, Symantec will definitely break new grounds in the field of innovation and achievement. May I now welcome Mr. Sharad Sharma on stage.
Give him a big round of applause, everyone. Mr. Sharad Sharma.
Thank you all for coming. So I don't have a prepared speech, but those of you who know me well, it's dangerous to give me a mic, right? I'm notorious for running over. But I really want to welcome all of you here at this event, particularly the parents, spouses and children. My belief is that part of the reason why we are successful as professionals is because we get the support from our family. So I think what makes this event special, at least for me, is the fact that so many of you have come with your family members here. And so I'd like to thank all of you, who've made the effort to come here. I hope you have a great time, enjoy yourself. The last time when we had a function like this was, about a year ago. That was a time when we were celebrating 15 years of innovation, 15 years of existence of Veritas. And boy, what a year it has been since, because if you look back at that time, we were about 900 people in BSIL. We are about 1250 right now. So we've had this blistering growth in terms of headcounts. More significant is that we've now become Symantec. We're the 4th largest independent software company in the world. Another very heartening feature is that when we look at the feedback that lots of you have been giving us, we find that our rankings, our employer of choice ratings and rankings has been steadily going up during the year. More people, many more of you are now suggesting that we are an employer of choice as a company. And I'm confident that as this year progresses, as we look back 12 months from now, we would see that these ratings have improved further. And why do I have that confidence? Because your India leadership team has been relentlessly focused on working on the key elements that make us an employer of choice. And we call that W2, C2, work quality, work environment, career growth, career planning, and of course compensation. So with those words, I won't really stand between this wonderful, fun-filled evening and a long talk. So let me wrap up here by acknowledging some of the people who have been absolutely instrumental in putting this function together. And I have their names written down just so that I don't leave anybody out. First and foremost, I like to acknowledge Pramod, and he kind of put in sleepless nights, long days, making sure that the entire intranet and system-related tasks were taken care of. Then, of course, Rolly, Nitin, Yogesh, Tushara, Suchitra, Deepak, Satish, and Ratna for going out of their way to organize this function. Prasanna, Ramesh, they are the ones who put all those posters and emails together, and Anuja was absolutely instrumental in giving them great suggestions. And finally, Vinayak from facilities and admin, worked his heart out to get all the logistics in place for this. So a big round of applause for all of them. And with that, let me hand you back to the host here. Hakuna Matata, have fun.
Thank you very much, sir. That was a great pleasure having you on the stage.
Thank you so much. Right, he rightly said, like he rightly said, and like we have been saying before, this evening is all about having fun. And we guys are here to have fun. So are you guys ready? Now we'll do one small exercise here. Everybody's ready for it? We'll say Hakuna Matata. Are we ready for that? We'll say it so loudly that we'll ensure entire Pune gets to know us, okay? Are we ready for that? Are we ready for that? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Whoa, once more.
Absolutely. Hakuna Matata. Having fun was never so easy. And we'll ensure that we'll have a lot of fun here this evening. So guys, let's not wait anymore and let's go towards our first program. Suchitra, tell us what we have in store now.
Yes, after saying Hakuna Matata, which is don't worry, be happy, I would like to say something here which is a bit away. थोड़ी इश्क विश्क की बातें हो जाए.
क्या बात है?
जरा थोड़ा सा सुना देती हूँ. प्यार में हमने क्या क्या न किया.
वाह वाह. Hey guys, वाह वाह बोलो यार.
प्यार में हमने क्या क्या न किया, ए बेखबर, तेरे इश्क ने हमको भुला दिया.
वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है.
प्यार में पढ़ने से पहले लोग क्या क्या बहाने करते हैं. जरा एक आपकी किताब देंगे, वो जरा क्लास में कुछ रह गया था, वो आपका रुमाल गिर गया. ऐसे काफ़ी बहाने बना के लोग एक स्टेप आगे बढ़ते हैं, लड़की से नज़र मिलाते हैं, उससे बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं. ऐसे काफ़ी बहाने लेकर आपका दूसरा शो, दूसरे परफॉर्मेंस आ रहे हैं. एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं, बल्कि 10 बहाने लेकर आ रहे हैं. सो लेट्स वेलकम द नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर्स ऑन द स्टेज विद 10 बहाने.
करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल. करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल. उसकी आंखों में बातें, बातों में जादू, जादू में खो गए हम, हो गए बेकाबू. I looked at you, you looked at me, और हो गई मुश्किल. And you became my destiny. करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल, 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल, 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल।
Fantastic performance. Give them a big round of applause. Can you believe that they were from Semantic Group? Your own people performing such a great performance. आप में से ही वो एक है, आप में से ही वो कलाकार है जो आज निखर कर बाहर आ रहे हैं। उनको निखारने वाले काफ़ी सारे लोग यहाँ पर हैं, उनके बारे में हम बाद में बताएंगे। पर अभी कुछ सौरव कहना चाहते, बोलते बहुत बात करती है लड़की।
Now I understand that this evening we have Semantic with all our family members, and of course we have a lot of kids with us today. For the kids, we have a special section there to my left. It's called the kids section. We have a lot of magic, a lot of games. There are also a couple of compares deck who are playing some amazing games with these kids. So if there are some kids here, of course I don't mean the youngsters who think themselves to be kids, the rest of them, please go that side, go and play there. Lot of fun to have. As of now, we'll just carry on with the evening's function. The next part is giving away of a few prizes. Over the last year, there have been a lot of competitions that have happened in Semantic, and there have obviously been a lot of prize winners. So today is the day that we'll felicitate these people. I'd like to call upon for the same Miss Radha Shilat, who's going to give away the prizes. Miss Radha, can you please come upon stage? You guys are not clapping. ठंडा नहीं लग रहा है क्या अभी? Lovely.
ये जो prizes दिए जाने वाले हैं वो कैरम में जिनको prizes मिले हैं उनके लिए है। कैरम से मुझे याद आया कि मुन्ना भाई में एक बहुत बूढ़े अंकल थे जो बहुत बीमार पड़ जाते थे, पर उनका एक वीकनेस था, वो था उनके कैरम में से वो रानी। वो रानी को पाने के लिए वो आदमी अपने बेड पर से उठकर आखिर तक वो रानी को पाए बिना नहीं उठा। उसी तरह से ऐसे कई यहाँ पर है जो वो रानी को नहीं छोड़ना चाहते, तो उन रानी के राजाओं को मैं एक साथ स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहती हूँ। मैं उनका नाम ले लूँगी।
In the men's single runner-up, the winner is Dinesh Shabag. Men's single runner-up, Dinesh Shabag. Quickly, quickly, quickly.
Music, please.
He's taking it on behalf of Mr. Dinesh. He's taking it on behalf of Mr. Dinesh. The men's single winner, Mr. Anshuman Besbarua.
Men's double runner-up, Mr. Prakash M and Ravi Kumar Alupoina. Mr. Ravi Kumar and Prakash M. Men's double
Bes Barua. I just got
Bes Barua. Mr. Bes Barua seems to be the expert. Where's your partner, sir? Main single runner-up, Dinesh Chandbag. Okay.
We've already given out that prize. Suchitra, what are you doing? You want to give them prizes again?
I'm waiting for a lot of Rajas to come up here. Okay, so mixed double runner-up.
We
Mr.
have the mixed
Anshuman.
doubles. We have mixed doubles now.
Yes.
For mixed doubles, the runner-up is Anshuman Bes Barua and Sheetal Lodha. Big hand for these people. Quickly, Anshuman Bes Barua seems to be the carom champion of Semantic. We've already taken your name thrice here.
Man says that Anshuman should remain here. He should not leave the stage. Sorry, you have to go down. Where's your partner, sir? Miss Lodha, are you here? I guess not. Okay.
Sheetal Lodha is missing. We shall give away her prize to somebody else. I'll keep it, not a problem. Next, we have the men's doubles winner, Ishwar Ande and V. Shushmita.
Mr.
Quickly,
Ishwar.
quickly.
रानियों की रानी यहाँ भी आ गई.
Big hand, guys, come on.
And ladies winner is V. Sushmita again. आपके हाथों का जादू आप कैरम पर दिखाती हैं. और कहाँ? कीबोर्ड पे.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much.
सुचित्रा क्या कहते हैं? आगे बढ़ते हैं और entertainment.
Yes, there's
Huh?
going to be lot to come.
अभी क्या करते हैं? Let's do
नहीं,
something
नहीं.
special now.
Wait. I have a group of people here. They would like to say something. Guys, you want to say something? No. Okay, I thought you have. Okay.
The next program that we have for you guys is yet another dance item by your people itself. So people, you have to get your hands clapping. Otherwise, you guys are not getting encouraged here, okay?
But the dance
Can we
is
hear
going,
some more hands? Yes, of course.
there's going to be a different thing. यहाँ पर डांस तो होगा बट ग्रेसफुल होगा. यहाँ पर हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं कुछ भारतीय पोशाक जो आज पूरे जग में एक अपनी जगह बना चुके हैं. अपने काफ़ी डिज़ाइनर्स जा चुके हैं बट वो जो है, वो जो साड़ी में है, वो जो धोती में है, वो जो पल्लू में है, वो और कहीं नहीं है. So ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting one lovely show coming right your way. It's the fashion
Ladies and gentlemen,
show.
it's of ethnic fashion wear sequence coming your way.
Dhotis, saris, sherwanis and lot more to come.
You know what, Suchitra?
Yeah, tell me.
I really didn't know कि Semantic में they have such beautiful, lovely looking people, and they were looking absolutely gorgeous with those saris and sherwanis.
Guys,
really
be
good.
aware, if they are your girlfriends, then सरव की नजर उन पर पड़ चुकी है।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार. They were just looking good. I'm just telling you guys.
मीठी बातों से आज रात को कुछ भी हो सकता है. So anyway.
Big hand guys for the fashion show. That was the ethnic wear.
Okay, अब यहाँ से आगे बढ़ते हुए हमारे और कुछ कलाकार हैं जिन्होंने ये साल में रंगोली कंपटीशन में हिस्सा लिया था. हम चाहते हैं कि आज उन्हें हम सम्मानित करें. I would like to call upon Mr. Abhay, Director of HR. Mr. Abhay.
The second runner-up for the Rangoli competition, Miss Priyanka Bali. Please welcome Miss Priyanka Bali with a round of applause. Quickly, Miss Bali, otherwise I'll take away your prize. There, she's running now. We also have another second runner-up here, Shilpa Nipunge. Big hand, guys. Come on. What are you guys doing? Clap, clap,
Come
clap.
on. Everybody is not good at Rangoli, okay?
First runner-up, Miss Pallavi Athale.
Pallavi Atle.
Athale, okay. Pallavi Athale, quickly come on stage. She's the first runner-up. We also have another first runner-up, Mr. Prashant Lambat. Easy to say which one is which. The winners for the Rangoli competition, Manisha Mahajan and Miss Ashmita Jagtap. Ashmita Jagtap and Manisha Mahajan, quickly come on stage. They are the winners of the Rangoli competition. Big hand for them.
Okay.
Both of them are not there is what I'm told, so we have someone to collect it for them. Big hand for her anyways.
Thank you very much, sir. Would you like to say something? Sure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. Abhay. Thank you.
अभी
All right. अभी हम लोगों ने डांस देखा, म्यूजिक भी सुना.
जी.
We've seen a lovely fashion sequence. We saw some very nice, bright, young, semantic people.
Yes.
What next?
Next is हम कुछ और अदाएं, कुछ और झटके, कुछ और मटके दिखाना चाहते हैं, पर मुझे उसके लिए एक तालियों की कड़कड़ाहट की जरूरत है. बहुत देर से मुझे सुनाई नहीं दी. Come on.
मतलब सुचित्रा आप नाचोगी अभी? Are you going to dance now?
Should I dance?
She's going to dance. Okay, big hand for her. Is Suchitra going to dance? Is that what you're going to do?
I will. That will be a special performance. But at the moment, I would like to give this chance to your people, your in-house people, and they are.
Well, I am told, you know what, Suchitra?
Yes.
अभी मेरे को बताया गया
जी.
कि ये जो डांस होने वाला था, उसको थोड़ा सा पोस्टपोन कर देंगे.
Okay.
टेक्निकल रीजंस के लिए we'll just postpone it a little.
So वहाँ पर एक छोटा सा ब्रेक है, मगर उसके पहले क्या है?
Instead, what we'll show you guys is a surprise item. Surprise for you guys. I don't know if you guys had noticed, during the past few days that you were at office, there were some cameramen who came probing into your offices, looking at you guys, asking some questions. किसी को आके कुछ तो पूछ रहे थे वो लोग. Do we guys want to see that?
Is that
Yeah.
so?
Somebody saying no. क्यों भाई? I really want to see it. Let me see what Semantic is all about. And all of us here, we will now witness an audio visual which was taken in the last few days talking to us about Semantic. And of course, Semantic people themselves talking about themselves.
अनेक चेहरे ध्येय एक वैसा देखेगा Semantic का ये presentation. So let's see Semantic group now. Someone comes like this, then it just pops pops out and says, okay, I want to be not here, I want to be kissing and doing a lot of funny things there. So,
what are we talking about,
not me,
Suchitra?
not
What are we
me.
talking about?
I've seen
We'll
you
go
people
backstage
doing
and
that.
talk about that, okay? We'll go backstage and talk about that. How come you never told me backstage? इनके सामने आके बोल दो यार, ऐसे ठीक नहीं है.
अपने अपने बीच की
हाँ
बात
ठीक
है
है,
यार.
okay.
वैसे काफी कलाकार आपके बीच में भी है जो एक एक करके हमारे सामने आ रहे हैं और भी कुछ कलाकार आने बाकी है. पर मैं चाहती हूँ कि एक कविता हमारे पास आई है जो आप में से किसी ने बनाई है. बहुत सुंदर कविता है. मैं चाहती हूँ कि सौरभ वो पढ़े और सबको बताए कि और एक कलाकार, एक बहुत नेक दिल इंसान आपके बीच है. तो सौरभ.
Here is actually a fantastic poem that I have, and I'll not tell you initially who's written this. I want you guys to guess the writer after I've read it. So please forgive my way of reading. If I do any mistakes, please forgive me. All right? Here it goes. The poem goes like this. It doesn't have a title, so I'll just start off. When I moved here last May, it was a city called Pune. City or a village it's today is a matter I for sure can't say. It's not a village, the air is cleaner there. It's not a city unless the roads offer better fare. For committing suicide, it's a great city. Why it isn't preferred, it's still a mystery. The narrow lanes with the traffic at its best, roads, if not the pollution, will do the rest. Ah, there you go. They said they are holding motocross here, so the road repairs are delayed till next year. What the authorities simply don't realize, it's an ongoing motocross in disguise. No wonder Shyam Kothari was a Puneite. He got lots of practice day and night. They even planned to test those cars that will ride over the craters on Mars. They have begun mapping the potholes here and are filing patents from them, I fear. How did the city end up in such a state? How did the roads have such a fate? It's time to keep our differences aside, to come together and decide. Something's got to be done for sure. Every problem definitely has a cure. People have got to be retaught traffic rules that they have forgot. To stop on a red and go on a green. To stop dirting the city and keep it clean. The authorities need to be told the way to maintain roads, not old. To use material that's pure, I think that's where lies the cure. You've got to make someone responsible who will be a man of action and do something sensible. Who will start setting things right and won't easily give up without a fight. Who likes the city like we do and act upon solutions without much ado. Slowly but surely, the battle will be won. All that's needed is to come together as one. And then we'll all be able to say, it's a city we love, it's the city called Pune.
Pune, we love you! The way it is, it's all ours.
The writer, if some of you have not guessed, I heard somebody say it as soon as I started the first line. It's Anshuman Atre. A big hand for the guy. Wonderful piece of poetry written here, which really talks about our plight today.
Yes. And taking this note, यहाँ पर काफ़ी लोगों ने social awareness के लिए posters design किए थे, which says Save Pune Traffic Movement, Stop, Look and Go poster competition. So इस competition में जिनको prizes मिले हैं, मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो stage पे आए हैं.
For this, I would call Mr. Dheeraj Prasad
Yes.
to come on stage and give away the prizes. Mr. Dheeraj Prasad, quickly, you are wanted here.
Hello,
Welcome,
sir.
sir. We have some consolation prizes to start off with. Mr. Satish Kamat, Bharat Katkar, and Mr. Amarendra Godbole. Quickly come on stage to collect your consolation prizes. Where are you guys? Quickly come here.
Mr. Amarendra, Satish and Mr. Bharat.
I see someone running this side. I'll give you a prize.
Yes! Nice
first runners up. Guess who this guy is? Anshuman Atre. And of course with him we have another first runner up. That's Dinesh Chaturvedi. Quickly come on stage. Anshuman Atre, I really need to see you, man. You've written a lovely poem here.
You know,
Where are you guys?
this place
Quickly
is
come
out
here.
of control.
पर्दे में
It's
ना
a
रहो
place
सर,
where
बाहर आ
movies
जाओ.
come. It's a
हम भी
place
तो
where
देखें.
people stop.
Well, they are not here.
This
Nevertheless,
box
we'll give away the
is a
prizes to her
magic
and I'll
thing.
ensure I take them from her later.
It doesn't matter if straight or gay.
Dinesh Chaturvedi and Anshuman.
It doesn't matter if night or day. I'll tell you now.
And the winner. Why don't you announce the winner?
The winner is Mr. Pramod Karanjakar. Mr. Pramod. Thank you, sir. Would you like to say something? Sure. Okay. I hope everybody is enjoying here. Though we have some things to take care of. Okay. Now,
The
Yeah.
item that we made these guys wait for,
yes.
we showed them a lovely audio visual for.
Okay.
Let's show it to them now. What do you say? दिखा दें? दिखा दें आप सबको? एक बहुत बढ़िया डांस है जो आप ही लोगों ने बनाया है.
यार मैं यहाँ से आवाज सुन रही
खाली
हूँ,
इधर
वहाँ से
आवाज
नहीं
आता है.
सुन
इधर
रही
को क्या हो गया?
हूँ. Are you people hungry?
हाँ, इधर भी लोग जागे हुए हैं. मैंने सोचा
देख-
सो ही गए होंगे.
देखिए जनाब, मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि एक जगह की एक टीम बन जाए, दूसरी जगह की दूसरी टीम बन जाए. अगर वो बात है तो मैं सुनना चाहती हूँ कि कौन सी जगह से ज्यादा आवाज आती है.
Are we ready? One. नहीं 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 नहीं, ऐसे नहीं शाउट करना है. हम लोग शाउट करेंगे Hakuna Matata. Are we ready? This team first. This side first. Are we ready? 1, 2. Save your energies. 1, 2, 3. Shout! Man, that was good. You guys
Okay.
got to do better. You guys have to do better. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow. La, 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 la. I can't decide the winner. I think both
Okay.
them are doing well. Both
Okay.
of them are doing well here.
So without wasting much time, let's bring others in front of you. So ladies and gentlemen, have a ball.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let the bass kick.
Stacked up like the one play tricks. Shooting side six like you seen them in the flicks. Mad booty shaking, really hot breaking. Cruising on the ramp and you know they ain't faking. All spice and everything nice. Fellas wanna take a lick out the camera's fake. Hotter than pepper, everybody wanna holler. That is running out, label this the garam masala.
Ada, आए हाय अदा, हो शुराए अदा, कर दे दीवाना. अदा, जानलेवा अदा, कातिलाना अदा, मार डालेना. आवारा यहाँ दिल इतने हुए लापता. अदा, आए हाय अदा, हो शुराए अदा, कर दे दीवाना.
क्या करता बॉस, पब्लिक की डिमांड थी तो बिल्ला को आना ही पड़ा. कहानी खत्म होने को आई और अब तक साला एक्शन शुरू ही नहीं हुआ. अब मैं आ गया हूं ना, अब दिखा दो तमाशा, दिखा दो तेरे को बिपाशा, समझा?
तौबा तेरी है हमराजी, तौबा तेरी है गम्माजी, तौबा तेरी है दिलसाजी, ये दिलसाजी दिलसाजी. तौबा लोगों की गुफ्तारी, शीशे पे संगबारी. तौबा तेरी है दिल आजारी, दिल आजारी आजारी.
अभी कोई दिल में जश्न हुआ है,
कहानी मेरे जानिया मेरे जानिया मेरे जानिया मेरे जानिया और मैं जब भी गले हंसते हंसते सलाम नमस्ते 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 सलाम नमस्ते
कजरा रे कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
हो मेरे नैना जुड़वा नैना ऐसी नजर से देखा उस जालिम ने चौक पर हमने कलेजा रख दिया चाकू की